In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can reset your Namecheap domain and DNS records back to the default settings, so you can go again if you've made some mistake or if nothing is right and you just want to start from scratch. So what you need to do once you're on Namecheap, you'll probably be on your dashboard. Just make sure you're logged in. Go ahead and then find the domain you want to reset. So I'm going to do this one, onlinehowtoguide.click. Click on manage, and then it will take you here into the back end. Now the first thing you want to check, if you're on domain, scroll down, and by default, the default name servers should be on Namecheap Basic DNS. If you've got them on any other DNS, you can change them back to Namecheap Basic DNS. Just know though, by doing this, you are resetting things back to default. So if you've got things connected, obviously they're not going to work once you do update it. But if that's fine, put it on Namecheap Basic DNS. Then you can go to Advanced DNS, and then from here you may have some DNS records. So here you can see for me, if I scroll down, we've got some DNS records here. We can go ahead and click on the trash can icon on all of these, and that's essentially all we need to do to reset it. If you want to make sure it's reset, or if you want to go ahead and get live chat to do it for you, you can just scroll down. Anywhere pretty much on the back end of your domain, you can click chat with a live person. This will open up live chat, and you can essentially just tell them, please can you reset my domain back to default settings so I can start over. And all you do from here is you click chat with our support team. It will then load up a live chat widget where you can then go ahead and ask them for help. So those are two ways. I hope that helped you out.